Have you ever wondered how you could turn your passion for photography into a reliable source of income? Imagine this. You're earning money while you sleep simply by selling stock photos online. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, and I'll show you how you can start making passive income by selling your photos on stock photo websites. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the exciting world of stock photography and how you can leverage it to create a steady stream of income. Whether you're an amateur photographer or a practiced pro, stock photography offers a fantastic opportunity to monetize your skills and creativity. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to get started. Understanding the stock photography market is the first step to begin with. It is crucial to understand the stock photo market. Stock photos are images licensed for specific uses, such as in advertisements, blogs, websites, and print media. Companies, marketers, and content creators are always on the lookout for high-quality images to enhance their projects. By providing these images, you can tap into a profitable market that values visual content. Second step would be to choose your niche. Finding a niche can set you apart from the competition. Consider what types of images are in high demand, but have less competition. This could be anything from business and technology to nature and lifestyle. Choosing a niche allows you to focus your efforts on creating content that is more likely to sell. Research popular stock photo sites to identify trends in the market. The third step is to build a high-quality stock portfolio. Quality is key in stock photography. Invest in a good camera or use a high-quality smartphone to capture your images. Pay attention to composition, lighting, and resolution. Ensure your photos are sharp and well lit, as these factors significantly impact their appeal. When building your portfolio, include a variety of images that showcase your niche. A diverse portfolio increases your chances of making sales. In the fourth step, the images you've captured, it's time to edit them. Use photo editing software to enhance your photos, correct colors, and remove any imperfections. Stock photo websites have specific requirements regarding image size, resolution, and format, so make sure your photos meet these standards. High-resolution images are essential for buyers who need them for print or digital projects. The fifth step includes choosing the right platform to upload your stock images. There are several stock photo platforms where you can sell your photos, each with its own set of rules and payout structures. Popular platforms include Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. Research these platforms to determine which aligns best with your goals. Some platforms offer higher commission rates, but may have stricter submission guidelines. Consider starting with one or two platforms and expand as you gain more experience. And the sixth step is submitting your photos. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to submit your photos. Each platform has a submission process, typically involving uploading your images and providing relevant keywords and descriptions. Keywords are essential for making your photos searchable. Use descriptive and relevant terms that potential buyers might use to find images like yours. The seventh step, and one of the most imperative steps, is to enhance your portfolio. Don't rely solely on stock photo platforms to bring in sales. Promote your portfolio through social media, blogs, and personal websites. Engaging with photography communities and forums can also help increase your visibility. The more exposure your photos get, the higher the chances of making sales. Tracking your sales and optimizing your content can be beneficial, and consider it the eighth and another important step to earn your money online. Most platforms provide analytics that can help you understand which images are performing well and which are not. Use this data to refine your strategy. Focus on creating more of what sells and continuously update your portfolio with fresh content. If you're ready to turn your passion for photography into a profitable venture, it's time to get started. Begin by exploring the stock photo market, choosing your niche, and building a high-quality portfolio. Don't forget to promote your work and stay updated on industry trends. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more content on earning passive income, and leave a comment below with any questions you might have about stock photography. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.